Hey, what's up everybody? So, most of this video I'm not talking. However, at the end I do have a speaking role. So just pay attention, watch along, have fun, and let me know what you think of this hairstyle. Leave a comment below, like and subscribe to my video and to my channel. Thanks so much. All right, so, whoa, there's a lot happening there. So, back to talking me. So, as you can see, the wash and go on the bottom part is all the way done. It's fine. So, what I want to talk about is the top part. So, because I have a huge forehead, thanks family, forehead getting crazy, I want to do a half up, half down. So, to make it easier, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull down like edges technically, but I'm not doing my edges because that's just not how I do my hair. So what I have is my trusty handy dandy, make sure it's in there now. So this is the Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold. I've had this forever. I don't really use it very often unless I'm doing a style where I need like a little bit of slickness. So first things first, I am gonna still wet it a bit like I'm gonna do the wash and go. And I'm still going to use a little bit of the gel, but I'm gonna try to avoid the base, if that makes sense. So because I'm doing the extreme hold, I don't really want to put it on the base way too much. So we're just gonna go up top. I'm just obviously keeping the top part of it a little bit more wet so that the wash and go looks good. And just like I did around, I'm gonna use my fingers. I use my fingers to kind of just separate the kinks and the curls so that it looks pretty good. So now this is the part that gets interesting. So I have a hard brush and I have my edge hold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to determine how far I want my ponytail, I don't know, puff to go. And I'm going to use moderate amount and just go around the edges. Not too much, because this stuff goes a long way. Not too much. So here we go. I'm not gonna do too much with the back because I want it to look a little bit more natural in the back. All I care about is the sides. And now I'm going to use my hard brush in small strokes, just brush upward, avoiding the other parts of my head. So you see, just like that. I'm gonna pull it forward just a little bit, and then using my elastic, go all the way around. Now, not too many times, not too tight, obviously. And boom, you can see it looks nice and sleek and slick. Again, I don't really care about the back too much because this is going to cover more of the back. And as you can see, so it's looking good. What I try to do is, once I put it down, you can see it's a little bit more fuzzy at the root. I'll try to use a little bit more of my gel in very small areas and just kind of come through. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for the edges section, and this is not gonna stick, I just wanna kinda get it down first, but I have this slick stick, and this is what I'll be using along with a very old toothbrush. So what I will do is just pull, literally, as you can see, I'm not pulling much hair down at all. Just a little tiny bit. And use my slick stick, and then I just sort of kind of pull it so it gets stuck to the forehead. As you can see, I'm just pulling, literally just pulling it forward. I don't really care what it looks like too much because it's going to probably get more messed up in the dryer, but I pull it down first because my hair is still wet. All right, all right, all right. So now I'm going to go sit under my hooded dryer for roughly till it gets dry. I'm gonna do that. So I will see you guys later. All right, so I'm back. My hair is dry. I mean, the roots are a bit still like damp or whatever. That I don't mind. But you can tell it's all dry. And I actually didn't do anything else to these. I just let it sit, so it's fine. It gives me at least the illusion of like a good hairline. So this is the final product. What do we think? Nice little half up, half down. Not a fail this time. Well, I'll see you next week. I'll be reviewing something next week, so see you soon.